Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Meros Liano. I'm from Vital Adwansi, and today I'm going to discuss minerals and rock types and process. Minerals. Minerals are solid, non-living, and natural substances that made of different elements like iron, aluminum, silicon, and oxygen. So, ang minerals is makita nato kasagaran sa rocks and sa soil. Here are some examples of minerals. So, kaning makita ninyo is mo ang example sa mineral ang quartz, feldspar, cobalt, or mica. Mineral characteristics. So, first is crystal form. So, ang crystal form is the arrangement of pieces of crystal to form a particular shape. So, once ang mineral is mag-form na siya, ag ilang their atoms is arrange themselves to a special patterns o mag-create sila og unique nga patterns, unique shapes like triangle and square. Next is cleavage. Minerals break along planes of thickness defined by atomic structure. So ang cleavage is how a mineral breaks if heat or pressured bitaw. Kay some minerals break easily in a smooth or flat way. Example sa salt. Ang salt is mag-break siya into cubes. Then next is next is hardness. So minerals rank by their relative hardness using most hardness scale. So sa diri na to makita kung unsa ka hard or unsa ka soft ang minerals nga naa sa atoa tibal example. So diri na sa makita nato diri as sa table nga ang talc is number one kay tungod siya ang kuan bitaw pinaka softest or soft nga kuan nga pag once nga mo i-scratch siya is dali ra siya ma-scratch bitaw. Then sa diri sa number 10 is the diamond. So ang diamond so di ba murag nakabayo na sa atong pagkabayo is ang diamond is mo na ang pinaka hard bitaw siya pag hard nga minerals nga atong nakuan pag once manggod na i-scratch nato sila is nato siya is dili siya dali ma scratch bitaw ko tungod sa isang ka strong nga kuan minerals. So next is color. Minerals have characteristic colors. So minerals have unique color but sometimes color can be misleading. So para ma-identify of minerals is kailangan nato og other properties like luster streak. Ang luster streak is how light reflects of the mineral surface. Example is shiny like metal or dull like glass. So next is strike. Streak, color of mark on unglazed porcelain. So ang streak is the color of mineral when it's crushed into powder. Next is next is rock. A rock is a naturally formed non-living earth material. Rocks are made of collections of mineral grains that are held together in a firm solid mass. So ang rock are formed through geological process and can be different minerals. So also ang rock po have a unique characteristic like composition, textures, hardness, and colors na para to help identify them. So next is there are three main categories of rocks: the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. So the first one discuss nato is ang igneous rock. The first one is igneous rock. So ang igneous rock are formed from a molten magma or lava. So gagikan sila from a volcanic activity or earth interior. So naay two types of igneous rock. So discuss na to ron. So there are two types of igneous rock is the intrusive and extrusive igneous rock. So the first we tackle is the first one is intrusive rock. So, ang intrusive rock is the forming magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface. So, this low cooling process allows the minerals to grow and form large crystals. So, maong slow sila kaayo mo kan bitaw cools kay para katong minerals is mag-grow para mo mas dako pa og makakuan og kaning large nga crystals. So next is extrusive igneous rock. So ang extrusive igneous rock is forming magma cools quickly above the earth's surface. So kaning kuan the fast cooling process creates small crystals or glassy textures. So, di ba ang intrusive igneous rock is maong kon siya, maong slow siya kay tungod nag-form siya og large nga crystals while ang kaning extrusive igneous rock is maong slowly ano ra siya, and quickly cooling kay tungod ga-form siya og ga-form siya og small crystal maong quickly siya. Then so next is sedimentary rocks. So ang sedimentary rocks are formed from a small particles like sand, mud, or rocks. So these these particles get compressed and stuck together over time. So here are some examples. So mo na sila ang example sa sedimentary rocks. So sandstone from sand or shale from clay or limestone. So, mo nito ang example sa sedimentary rocks. So, sediments. Next is sediments. Sandstone is one of the common types of sedimentary rocks that form from a sediments. There are many other types. Sediments are removed from transported by water, wind, wind, ice, or gravity in a process called erosion. So, fragments of other rocks are often have been worn down into small pieces, such as sand, salt, or clay. Organic materials or the remains of one's living organism, or like precipitates, which are chemical precipitates, which are materials that get left behind after the water evaporates from solutions. So ang example ng sedimentary rocks, ang sediments is waters or kanang sa rivers kabantay mo kakon may nabit ang sa rivers nga pag kanang moawas ag karbito sige bitaw ang tubig ang sa rivers is gigawas ang tubig so ang rocks ning ato is gamo po sila pa kuan ga-change po sila gi-change po sila og kuan kaning position from sa original nila then so next is sedimentary rock formation. So accumulated sediments harden into rock by lithifications. When sediments settle out of calmer water, they form horizontal layers. So ang sedimentary rock are formed through a process called lithifications, where accumulated sediments are compressed and hardened into a new rock. So pag compress para bitaw ang kuan iyan is para ma-form sa new rock. So here are two important steps are needed for sediment to liquefy. So when we say liquefy or lithification is kuan is the process that turns sediment into a solid rock. So the first one is naay the first one is compactions. So ang compactions is kuan sediment get freeze together. So i-freeze ang sediments para mo form sila sa og rock, new rock. So ma-form sila into solid rock. So the second one is cementation. So minerals bend the sediments together. So katong na loose particles katong loose particles of sediment is para i-bend sila events sila para to create rock by cementation. Next, the next is metamorphic rock. So, a rock that changes its form due to heat or pressure. So, ang metamorphic rock is nag-transform siya og new nag-transform siya into a new rock with with different characteristic. Like example is marble from limestone og slate into shell. So, nag-form siya into heat and pressures change the rock structures of and compositions. So, next is, so mga na example sa metamorphic rock. Mao na ang metamorphic rock. So, next is metamorphism. Metamorphism is a process of changing rocks due to high heat, pressure, or chemical reactions. So, this trans this these transformations creates new rocks with different characteristics. So, another is fuelations. Ang fuelation is mao na ang when rocks are squeezed by pressure in one direction, they form from flat layers. So, it happens when heat and pressure can be changed the minerals in the rocks, causing them to realign and form new layers. So, ang resulting ano is the new rocks form with a unique textures and compositions. So next is the rock cycle.